So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Binance trading bot. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into this. So basically here in Binance there's also something called trading bots. So it's like using AI to trade here in Binance and do the most of the work for you. So if you want to do that, here's a guide for you to do, and I'll teach you how to do it. So the first thing and first foremost thing you have to do is of course create your account. So here, if you're using Binance and you want to join Binance, so join Binance now by signing up with the link I'll be providing down in the description below to claim up to 200 USDT limited time trading free credit reward. So guys, just sign up there and then create your account. Just make it verified too, just like mine. As you can see, it's verified already, so that you'll have most of the features and access into your account. So let's begin now guys. So once you have created your account here in Binance, so I want you to just go here in the top left corner tab and set your Binance at the Pro. So if it's light, it's gonna be something looking like this. It's gonna show this type of interface, which is pretty simple and all. So I want you guys to set it to your Pro mode, where you just go to the top left corner and select Pro, and there you have your Pro mode. So here in your Pro mode, you will see all the options by going to the top left corner of your screen. You go to your own profile, and here you will see it in your recommended. So here from your recommended, you will see more services. If you haven't seen it here in your shortcut, so I placed it in my shortcut already. So here, just go to your more and then scroll down, and then you'll find trade right here. So all you have to do is scroll here right here and go to trade, and then just find your trading bot. And there you go, there is your trading bot. So here in your leaderboard, you will see everything, the top ROI, top PNL, top copy, trending market, and the volatility. So here it's all orders, here's your trade, here's your trading bots. So there you go. There's also a tutorial for this if you want to learn yourself here in the top right corner. So what is a trading bot? So those like spot grid, futures grid, rebalancing bot, spot DCA, futures TWAP, auto invest, futures VP, spot WAP. So what is spot grid trading and how does it work? So there's tutorials here on how it works, what it is, and how. So I assume you should know already what is spot grid and margin and futures. So there you go. So if you want to learn, just go there. So here I want to teach you how to do the AI trading yourself, or this trading bot yourself. So we're gonna use our spot grid. So it's the buy low and sell high. Or you can also go with your futures grid, which automates your longs and shorts, or your rebalancing bot, which is a smart strategy for multi-coins portfolio. So here in your rebalancing, you might want to buy a lot of coins and you want to do it in bulk. So you go want to do rebalancing bot trading. So you can create your own type of trade right here. And so, same with the spot DCA. Spot DCA is a lower average entry cost, so it's profit from reversals. So there's also your auto invest and your futures WAP, your spot WAP, your futures BP, but we're just gonna focus on our spot grid for now. So here in your spot grid, you have to buy low and sell high to make an earning. So here in our spot grid, you will look for the most popular, or probably the most top copied or top PNL. So the runtime is also here. When you select down on the filter button, you will see all the days that it's gonna run. So it's probably 1 day, 2 days, and 2 to 7 days, or probably 15 days, or 30 days, or 30 days more. So there you go. And then you'll also see your ROI. So if you want to go with 100% ROI, that's pretty much impossible. 70% ROI or other things like that. So let's just go with our 2 to 7 days, which is pretty much a week. So we're gonna go with top copied and look for all the ROIs that are available. So you want to use USDT as your base trading fee right here. So there's also BNB, FD, USD, TUSD, BNB, etc. So you can use USDT as your base currency since you have a trading fee of 200 from signing up from the link in the description below. You might want to do that. So there's Ethereum, BTC, and WBTC right here. So let's go with BTC, with the most popular. So here, as you can see, there's your top ROI, here's your top PNL, and your top copied. So we're gonna go with your top copied since a lot of people are using on it. So this is a reminder that this is only a guide, not a financial advice. You might want to do your own research on how to do this, or probably you'll just want to get an idea on how to do this and such. So in our spot grid, we're using BTC against USDT. So it's only a spot grid. So you can also do futures grid if you want, but we're only focusing here in our spot grid. So here in your ROI, it's 1.35%, and the PNL is $1.35, and the minimum investment is going to be 64.19 USDT only. So if you want to create this, or probably you want to copy this or just make your own, so you can create. And as you can see here, there's a price range. So the price range is around 25,900 to 27,200. So you can have to buy low, and then it will have to sell high for you to make a profit here in your spot grid. So here, the number of grids is basically the amount that you're investing. So the higher the number of grids, the higher you're gonna invest. So it was 10, it's for 64.19 USDT. So if you go with 15, it's 91.56, and probably 97, 96, 96 for, 16 for 97.3. So it's around 100 USDT. So there you go. So if you want to invest or transfer your funds, just go to your wallet and spot and funding to just transfer perhaps your BTC or Ethereum to USDT and convert it right there. So there you go. As you can see, I have insufficient USDT balance, and the minimum USDT investment required to run this grid strategy is 97.03. So if you don't have that amount, I suggest you must load your or reload your wallets first before doing this. So you also have your advanced options, like here, you have your grid trigger. Your grid trigger will be active once the last price or mark price you choose reaches the set trigger price. And here's your stop settings too, and your stop trigger, which is the grid will stop when the last price of the pair you have chosen reaches the set stop loss or the take profit price right there, guys. So you can off that if you don't want to do this, or you can sell all BTC on stop. So these are our advanced option. The stop settings is when you enable it, the grid will automatically sell all your BTC at the market price when the grid is stopped. So when disabled, all BTC will be transferred simply back to your spot wallet like nothing happened, or it's either you have profited or you have lost. So if you open this setting, it will automatically just go back to your spot wallet right there. So as you can see, once you have created your order, it will be transferred here to your running in the spot grid in all orders. So you can see all your orders here which are running in futures grid, and if you're using USD M or CoinM or rebalancing bot or anything else, you will also see your history right here, and you can also do a filter of how the dates have been managed. So it's 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and all of those. So here it will be shown in your running on how good it's going and how good it's not going. So basically that is the trading bot here in our Binance. So it's pretty simple to do. Don't really have to complicate it yourself. All you have to do is you must have your contingency plan when everything fails, and you must be wise on trading. So I suggest this is only a guide for you guys, that it's not really a full-on tutorial on how to earn money. So this will depend all on your strategy, and I suggest you do your own research if the market price will go up or down in the spot grid market right here. So there you go. There's also the bots marketplace if you want to go with the futures grid, or if you want to go with the spot grid like I said a while ago. So here you have Also, Loom versus USDT, which is pretty good. I can see right here you only have a minimal investment of 14.6263 USDT, which is pretty low, and you'll have ROI of 28.3%. So I see that's why 31 people are using it, and has a PNL of 3.73 USD right there. So as you can see, Loom is pretty popular here in the bots marketplace. It looks like that it has been booming recently, so I must try that out myself too in the coming days. So basically, that's how you do trading bots here on your Binance. And if you like this video, I hope to see you again next time. So see you again, guys.